What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Siacoin on any computer, laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Siacoin on any computer, you need good hardware components, fast internet connection and a Siacoin wallet address. So stay till the end of video and learn how to mine it. Here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the mining tutorials, Binance tutorials and other coin reviews. So here is the unmineable.com. Open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable.com, they have their own separate miner. So you can see today there is notification about this important. We do not charge for listing. Be aware of fake scam Instagram or Telegram channels asking for listing fees. So here is the Siacoin. Step by step I will show you how to mine it. Simply I will minimize the window. Here right click on the desktop and create a new folder and type it Siacoin. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protection, click on the manage settings. Here click on error remove exclusion, add an exclusion, select the folder, select the Siacoin folder, and now it's added to the Windows exclusion window part and it's perfectly excluded with the Windows security. Why we are excluding? Because the third-party softwares including miner or unmineable miner is a threat for the Windows operating system. So automatically they will delete it. So here I will close the Windows security and open up the unmineable.com. Go to the download section, right click on this. You can save the link as well, you can download with the IDM. Here click on this three dot, select the desktop, select the Siacoin folder and click on save and start download. As I have already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download. I will minimize the browser, go to the miner, copy the unmineable miner and paste it to the Siacoin folder. And now you can see that the unmineable miner is perfectly safe in this folder. So right click on this and select extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to open it. And now the unmineable.com successfully open. Here you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineables and some mineable coins. So click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware, like there is GPU, CPU. So I will continue with the CPU. Here you have to enter the name of the token which you can mine with this software. Here is the SC or Siacoin. Here you have to enter your wallet address. So I will go to the Binance. Here I will copy the Siacoin wallet address. Here you have to copy the wallet address, minimize this and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address of the Siacoin coin, so here is the start button will appear. So click on the start to start mining. Here is the last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and here is payouts from 250 SC or Siacoin. If you want to bring any changes to the mining setting, click on the advanced setting. Here you can select your mining intensity, like there is low, high or custom setting. Here is you can set a custom worker name, you can set a custom referral link for yourself. If you want to bring changes to the setting, click on the save and restart. So here as you can see the hash rate is over 500. It's perfectly mining SC or Siacoin coin on my laptop that currently I'm using. If you want to check the status of the mining or the status of the mining, here you can click on this to open the unmineable.com. Here you can check this box, auto pay every 12 hours whenever the balance is 250 SC. You can check the workers, the payments, the referral code. There is a good program for the referral code. If you should share your referral code with your friends, you will earn 0.25% of the mining referral rewards. So I will minimize this. So guys, here you can see that the Siacoin coin is perfectly mining. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.